Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane. Guzgookenheim stockholders have approved a merger with the EV maker Polestar. So Guzgookenheim announced this on Wednesday evening that the special meeting held earlier in the day, its stockholders vote to approve the proposal required to complete its combination with Polestar Performance AB. Now this was actually quite incredible, especially a good day for trading Guzgookenheim stock. On that particular day, the stock rose from $10.84, soaring to $11.87. Now, the closing of the business combination is expected to occur on June the 23rd. Now, Polestar common stock is expected to begin trading on NASDAQ on June 24th. That will be under the ticker symbol PSNY. But this is fantastic. This is one step further. The SPAC merger is now completed, and now we await listing on NASDAQ. Which, if I might add, is even more exciting for me because I had all the confidence knowing that the merger will be completed. The question is now, how will this transform Guzgookenheim shares into what we know as Polestar, valued over $20 billion in value as a company, having up to 32,000 pre-orders this year in total. Now, the transaction is expected to raise at least $850 million in gross proceeds, though a combination of a fully committed PIPE, the cash held in trust account for a maximum 25% in preliminary redemption elections, and assume none of such preliminary redemptions requests are withdrawn. End quote. This is what the company had to say specifically. Now, Alec Gores, chairman of Guzgookenheim, stated to have limited redemptions in this challenging micro environment is an incredible feat, and it speaks to the strength of Polestar brand, as well as a high conviction of investors having Polestar potential. They also added that they are proud of the momentum Polestar has built over the past several months, and they look forward to expecting to close the business combination. Now, of course, this business combination is already closed, so this is good. Now we await listing, and we've got a quote from Thomas Ingolith as well. Our listing on NASDAQ in partnership with Guzgookenheim will be a milestone for the company. Our team has already been working hard, and that work is paying off for sure. We're excited about the future of Polestar, and we'll continue to build world-class electric cars, grow the passionate customer community, and expand it into even more markets around the globe. Now, the company has been granted the U.S. patent number 11364-814, a dual battery system for electric vehicles. The patent was signed Jong-Seog Moon, the battery engineer working with Polestar since November 2018. And they said with the dual battery rather than a single battery, an increase in battery lifespan for the electric vehicle is supported. Now, this is absolutely fantastic to know that Polestar is still developing revolutionary technologies in the space of batteries and electric vehicles. Now, I'm sure we all are aware of the new Polestar 3, the limited information that was released, but what we do know is that this car will have over 600 kilometers of miles on a single charge. This is no coincidence, and this is no small feat. This is a huge accomplishment for Polestar, and I'm sure over time they will improve upon this technology. But most notable is to see how strong they can compete in the space of electric cars, despite the fact that they haven't been around, but nevertheless they are strongly trying to compete with Tesla, and the EV battle is certainly starting to heat up. We're getting news from VW. We're getting more news from Porsche on their expectations to develop batteries. Lots of companies are focusing on battery development. And if they're going to focus on battery development, naturally, a lot of these companies are also going to focus on lithium exporting, lithium mining, because it's becoming too expensive. And if a given company have their own lithium producing manufacturing plant, well, that gives them an advantage in the market. They can also bring down the cost of their cars dramatically. This could be Tesla in the future. This might be Polestar in the future, or Porsche. I'm excited to find out which company gets there first. This specific dual battery system pattern may support different driving situations where either the first or the second battery or both may be utilized, but also that it supports an increased battery lifespan for electric vehicles. Polestar released the P2.2 version of its software, introducing the eagerly awaited Apple CarPlay system, amongst other new features. The arrival of the system to the models of the Polestar cars is being confirmed late in May by the CEO Thomas Ingeluth with images. I'm currently working on that video to upload quite soon, but for now I can offer my apologies for the delay. Apart from that, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, subscribe to see more, and of course I will see you in my next video.